Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use WeTransfer to send files. Let's get started. First, open a browser and go to WeTransfer.com. Click Add Your Files and select the files you want to send. Enter the recipient's email address and your own email address. Optional, add a message for the recipient. Click Transfer. For free accounts, files up to 2 GB can be sent. For large files, consider a WeTransfer Pro account. The recipient will get the email with a download link. You will also receive a confirmation email when the file is downloaded. File sent via WeTransfer expires after 7 days on free accounts. So make sure your recipient downloads them in time. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.